Instead of addressing the issue, okay, why don't you just understand that your presence and what you are doing is not helping matter? Because it's not as if Biafran have natural resources. That's what they don't remember. You are relying on people to support with their money, not because the country have access to natural resources yet to operate. Then you say, okay, whether the people support or not, government will do something. The problem is not about falling back with Ogenkere. But people who are financing it may not want to give the money to Ogenkere. Then for you to do, since you want to Ogenkere to lead, why don't you make sure that Ogenkere give account of the money so people can trust him with the money? Those ones telling you without military you are nothing. Without military you are nothing. You are talking about people's money, not about supporting just supporting for supporting sake. Who will trust their money to somebody who have never for once give account of money being paid to his account in the past? I don't know if you're following what I'm saying, but they will tell you, no, you have to fall back, you have to fall back. Do it again, let us see. Bring Ogenkere to lead. With Ogenkere, we are there. But they will not tell you that you cannot do it alone. You cannot do it alone. You need somebody to donate money. Biafran are not in control of their oil or any natural resources at this point in time. So if you want people to fall back, you have to fall to where people will have trust to donate their money. They don't talk about it. People who want to talk, but they don't want to talk with their common sense. One of the reasons who said no sound, if you're under distraction, if you're which one no sound, my mic is on and it's saying no sound. Are you watching from behind? I believe. Please, can somebody confirm is my voice coming out? If my voice is coming out, this is brother Peter. You need to refresh your phone or your system because it is obvious you are watching from behind. I think you are in that part where I muted myself in the past. Can you drag the video off, or just refresh so that the last one will be updated on your end? Can somebody confirm? Can you hear me? Can you confirm? It's clear. Your voice is coming out. Okay. So Peter, please refresh your system so that my voice will, because I think you are watching from behind. So, like as I was saying, my people, it's not as if supporting somebody or following somebody is a problem. The main problem here is that they don't want to tell you that you are falling back with your money. And the guy that is that back where you are falling is not good in accountability. He's not good in accountability. So you have to fall to where people will trust you with their money. That is not a fact. But they don't want to remember that. Like what Ogodoman asked QTV in that his video. What is your contribution about that? I am somehow disappointed on him, to be honest with you. I don't need to lie. I'm somehow disappointed that he can say what I just heard from him, because what he said here doesn't make sense to me. And I was expecting that he's far better than many of them, but no. Now let me share with you another Fulani atrocity before we end this live broadcast, because I have spent 2 hours plus here. Normally, in the morning I spend almost 2 hours plus. So now again, today is a very free day for me. So I spend a lot of time on social media. And Kai, please, do you have that voice where another man was saying Ogenkere what? I don't understand what you mean. Kevin, which of the voice you're talking about? And when did you join this broadcast? Are you just joining, or you have been here? Because I played the one I have before earlier on this live broadcast. Flashback is the mistake they made, and that is what they are trying to do to defend, and they cannot defend it. That from Emmy. Now this is another